Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Kobas account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in kobas.co.uk like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for Kobas like this on Google. Anyway, you'll end up on the same page. Both are the same page. And let's allow the cookies to proceed. Just close this site, and after that, on the top right corner of your screen, you can see the client login button available over here. Click over there, and after that you can see the company ID field, the username field and the password field. You will need to enter your three credentials over here and click on the login button over here to sign into your Kobas account. Or if you forgot your password, just simply click on the reset password and your password will be reset by going through a certain procedure. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding login into the Kobas account, you can simply comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.